Hey everybody, my name is Zurich. Thanks for seeing this video. Subscribe this channel. You find very good videos, very good tutorials, and good lots. You never leave this channel. This is Zurich. Gracias por ver. Suscríbete a mi canal. And if you are a Latin person, por favor, déjalo en los comentarios y suscríbete. No te arrepentirás. Disfruten del video. What? Yeah. Spanglish introduction. Hey, in another video of the Yusan, they say Yusan used to be the third best shotgun in the game 2 and 3 years ago, and it used to worth 1 million last year around January. Uh, 2012, I don't know how I say. Yeah, so much memories. Yeah, yeah. The AA-12 3 years ago was the second best shotgun in the game. The first is the Dust Striker. Yeah, the second is the AA-12, I think so. This video is you stopping stuff in that frontier. What? Yeah. Cosas estúpidas en Death Frontier. You need a ending introduction in your videos. I don't know. Do you use money for make your armor MC and later selling in the scrap? Why you do that? the comment 40 minutes ago. Low shit, NC stuff. Yeah, I really hate it when that happens. The best I got NC was 754. Oh, but the Ghostcraft only used with the credits, right? And the armor when Mastercraft when Godcraft is when you sell in the scrap, the price is very high. So why you selling the scrap? Why you do that? Oh, come on.